Germany was once called the economic engine of Europe, the factory floor of the continent, the country that powered European growth for decades. But now, economists are warning that engine may be stalling. Germany is once again staring at recession risk, and this time, the problem may run far deeper than rising energy prices or the latest crisis in the Middle East. The latest warning comes from Germany's Economic Institute DIW. Economists says Europe's largest economy could shrink for a second straight quarter. If that happens, Germany would enter what economists call a technical recession. The trigger, a fresh energy shock linked to escalating tensions involving Iran. As oil and gas prices rise, pressure is building across the German economy. But here's where the story gets more interesting. Many economists don't believe Iran is the real problem. They believe Iran is simply exposing a problem Germany has been hiding for years. The warnings are already showing up in the forecasts. DIW has slashed Germany's 2026 growth outlook. Growth expected at 1% has now been cut in half to just 0.5%. The outlook for 2027 has also been lowered to 0.8%. Inflation is moving higher, consumers are losing purchasing power, businesses are under growing financial pressure, and confidence is weakening. But growth forecasts aren't what has economists worried most. It's Germany's dependence on cheap energy. For decades, Germany built its industrial success on three pillars: cheap energy, strong manufacturing, global exports. But all three pillars are now under pressure. The Ukraine war disrupted energy supplies, global competition is intensifying, manufacturing output has weakened. And now another Middle East energy shock is hitting an economy that was already struggling. This is no longer just a recession story. Germany's biggest fear is not a bad quarter. Germany's biggest fear is losing industries that may never come back. Germany's chemical sector is under pressure. Steel producers are facing higher expenses. Manufacturers are delaying investments decisions. Borrowing has become more expensive than at any point in roughly last 15 years. That makes it more expensive for businesses to invest, more expensive for governments to borrow, and harder for Berlin to support economic growth. And this is where Germany's problem becomes Europe's problem. Germany isn't just another economy. Germany is economic backbone of the European Union. A weaker Germany means a weaker Europe, less investment, slower growth, and more pressure on government finances, and potentially less room for Europe to fund major priorities ranging from industrial subsidies to defense spending. Which brings us back to the question economists are now asking: is Germany facing a temporary slowdown? Or is Europe's economic powerhouse entering a new era of permanently weaker growth? Right now, Germany faces a growth forecast of just 0.5%. Inflation is moving back toward 3%. Borrowing costs are at their highest level in roughly 15 years. And recession warnings are flashing red. The real question is no longer whether Germany is under pressure. The real question is whether the country that once powered Europe can still power itself.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.